Right, welcome to my channel. This time I'm in Thailand and I'll be trying one of the noodle stores over here. So let's have a look.
This one. Should I put on this one? So funny. Eating with this, so funny. Hey, you recording already? Oh my god. Maybe I can hear me better. How do I introduce this? Now I at Bangkok. Yeah. And I don't know how to read this. How to read this? ข้าวเตี๋ยวเกี๊ยมเมี่ยงเกี๊ยมเมี่ยงข้าวเตี๋ยวเกี๊ยมเมี่ยง So it's a noodle store. The signature is this, but I don't know how to read. How do I read this?
เส้นเล็กยวน
เส้นเล็ก
เส้นเล็กยวน
เส้นเล็กยวน
Yes, mean thin rice.
Thin rice เส้นเล็กยวน and this is
น้ำตก
น้ำตก
สูตรเข้มข้น
สุกเข้มข้น so
ให้
it's
ลอง
ให้ร้อน
Yeah, it's a blood soup. Yeah, yes. Should try.
should try should try should try okay go try it yeah
What you order?
I order normal run right but I order did you order for me this one
Yeah,
oh yeah
the
I
big
order
flat one.
big flat one yeah I mean I think all these are nice just that today I feel like trying flat noodle yeah how to say big flat
เส้นใหญ่
เส้นใหญ่เส้นใหญ่ oh okay and I also order pork right. What are the different pork
Yeah,
use different pork so what do you order for me is it braised pork
It's comes all together.
all together oh okay it will come all together okay yeah and then I order clear soup yeah okay yeah right so I'm gonna eat this what's it called again
ก๋วยเตี๋ยว
kway teow yeah
เส้นใหญ่
kway teow เส้นใหญ่
เส้นใหญ่
เส้นใหญ่ kway teow look I ordered the flat noodle so it has the variation of all the pork like liver pork ball yeah and this is clear soup yeah and you can put some of the condiments if you want yeah usually Thai style to have all the condiments I don't usually put all those maybe a bit of chili perhaps yeah not too much I guess yeah I just put a bit make it spicy yeah fish sauce usually they like it so much yeah heavy also yeah I'm not so daring to add all so okay now let's try okay I like it oh flat noodle Oh, good. So, oh, this is the internal organs. Is it?
I think
The meat. Oh, I like that. here still quite hot weather-wise. Oh, thank you. Oh. Very nice. I like it. I like it because it gives a very savory flavor. Yeah. So good. I'm finishing quite soon. I'm so hungry. The soup is good. Right out.
Are you finished now?
Yeah, so hungry. I feed the camera a bit. I like this part of the meat.
You want me? I don't know.
Oh. Wow. Ooh, more stuff. Wow. Like bonus. Fat well. very tasty. Tea again. Okay, I'm done. Yeah, I can stop the video. Oh.
Ê. Húp. Ủa? Thấy.
Okay, we're not the same. Not the same.
Straw. Straw. How's it?
I like it. Less sweet.